Now as I look at this integral, it's kind of crying out to me to do integration by parts, but we're using the integral table. So we're going to look for something that has some power of x. We want cubed in this case and an e to the something x. So let's go ahead and look at the integral table. And as we see that, we're going to want to pick integrals with exponentials. And then we're going to scroll down through these looking for this power of x and then e to the something x. Now here's an x e to the ax but no power on it. And as I move down through here, I see an x cubed e to the x, and I see an x to the n e to the ax. So I actually could use either one of these, but looking at this one, then this involves another integral. So I'm actually going to use this one, but I'll do a u substitution then because I don't have x, I have 4x. So we're going to use this formula and we're going to change it to an e to the u so that we can do that. So we're going to let u be 4x, so then du is going to be 4 dx, and we actually have a 2 dx, so we could both sides by a half, and this would be a 2 dx. So then doing the substitution, I'm looking here and I can see that I have my 2 dx that I could replace with 1/2 du, but then I have an x cubed. So I'm going to come back over here and solve for x. X is going to be 1/4 u, and so x cubed is going to be a u cubed with a 1/64 out in front. And then I have an e to the u. Now the reason I would do all that is because now I can utilize this formula because I have this something cubed e to the something here, these u's. So my x down here is going to be u. So let's go ahead and apply this and we'll go ahead and combine these. So that's 1/128, and then it's going to be u cubed minus 3u squared plus 6u minus 6, and then e to the u plus a constant. And so now let's just go ahead and resubstitute, and this would be 1/128, and then this would be 4x cubed, so that's going to be 64x cubed, and then minus, this would be 16 times 3, so 48x squared plus 24x minus 6, and then e to the 4x plus a constant. Now as I look at this final answer, I can actually see that there's a 2 in common, so I could factor that out in front and make this 1/64. We'd probably put this on the front there as well, so e to the 4x, and then this would be 32x cubed minus 24x squared plus 12x minus 3 plus our constant.